Hello everyone, my name is Ankita. I'm a final year student. I am studying in MR Ambedkar Dental College and Hospital. I was not able to clear my third year subject, that was oral pathology and microbiology and general medicine. I was not in the right place to even think that I will be able to clear it again. But Dr. Talia and Mr. Sheikh helped me a lot with regarding the academics and the counseling. Dr. Talia helped me a lot with the subjects, and Mr. Sheikh also helped me with telling me and boosting my confidence regarding the subjects, the fields that I can do it, that what else can do after the completing my subjects, and it was really very helpful with my confidence, my morale, and everything. And I would really like to thank them for what all they have done for me. Thank you.